Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to send a GIF message on Facebook Messenger. This will work for iPhone and Android. It's very simple and easy to get done. Now, all you have to do is just make sure you're fully updated on your Messenger application. So just head over to your app store and search for Messenger. Once you find Messenger on here, just make sure it doesn't say update beside it. If it says update beside it, just be sure to update it. If it just says open, just go ahead and open it up. Once you're on Messenger, just go to the chat that you want to send the GIF message to. And then whatever you want to type in the message, just type right here. So I'm just going to personally put testing, but let's just say if you're saying like happy holidays or wherever you're saying to them, just to go ahead and type that out first. And then you want to click on the little search bar just at the end of the chat, not the send one, just that little search. And then you will see that little gift option right here. So if you go ahead and click on that, it will then send your message in that little gift. And then whenever the person receives your message, if they go ahead and click on that, it will remove that there and it will open up right there as you guys seen. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to send GIF messages on Facebook Messenger. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.